In this lesson, we'll learn the Albanian verb kam, meaning to have, in three important past tenses: the simple past, the imperfect, and the present perfect. Although all three refer to the past, as we saw with jam, they give us different perspectives on a past situation. Let's begin with the simple past. The simple past is used for a completed situation or event in the past. With kam, it can describe something someone had at a particular point or something that happened as a completed event. So the forms are un pata, I had, ti pate, you had, ai or ajo pati, he or she had. Ne patem, we had, ju patet, you had, ata or ato paten, they had. So for example, un pata shumë punë dje. I had a lot of work yesterday. Un pata shumë punë dje. Ajo pati një ide shumë të mirë. She had a very good idea. Ajo pati një ide shumë të mirë. Ne patëm një problem me makinën. We had a problem with the car. Ne patëm një problem me makinën. Ata patën shumë fat. They got very lucky, or literally we're saying they had a lot of luck. Ata patën shumë fat. And pata një ditë shumë të ngarkuar. I had a very busy day. Pata një ditë shumë të ngarkuar. Notice that we have the same situation here where in spoken Albanian people tend to use kisha, which is the imperfect, and we'll see right now in the next slide, rather than pata, just like with the verb jam, that they use isha instead of qesh. So for the imperfect tense, we have I used to have, or I was having, kisha, the kisha form. The imperfect is used to describe a continuing or repeated past situation. It is often used for things someone used to have or for something that was true during a particular period in the past. So the forms are un kisha, I had, ti kishe, you had, ai or ajo kishte, he or she had. Ne kishim, we had, ju kishit, you had, ata or ato kishin, they had. Some examples. Kur isha fëmijë, kisha shumë lodra. When I was a child, I had a lot of toys, or used to have a lot of toys. Kur isha fëmijë, kisha shumë lodra. Ajo kishte shumë punë atë ditë. She had a lot of work that day. Ajo kishte shumë punë atë ditë. Ne kishim një shtëpi të vogël në fshat. We had a small house in the countryside. Ne kishim një shtëpi të vogël në fshat. Ata kishin shumë kohë për të mësuar. They had plenty of time to study. Ata kishin shumë kohë për të mësuar. Kur erdhe ti, unë kisha një problem. When you arrived, I had a problem. Kur erdhe ti, unë kisha një problem. And the present perfect, koha e kryer, the present perfect is formed with kam, followed by the past participle pasur. So we have un kam pasur, I have had, ti ke pasur, you have had, ai or ajo ka pasur, he or she has had. Ne kemi pasur, we have had, ju keni pasur, you have had, ata or ato kan pasur, they have had. This tense is often used when talking about past experiences or situations that have some connection with the present. So for example, we have kam pasur shumë punë këtë javë. I have had a lot of work this week. Kam pasur shumë punë këtë javë. Ajo ka pasur shumë sukses. She has had a lot of success. Ajo ka pasur shumë sukses. Kemi pasur disa probleme kohët e fundit. We have had some problems recently. Kemi pasur disa probleme kohët e fundit. A keni pasur ndonjëherë një makinë? Have you ever had a car? A keni pasur ndonjëherë një makinë? And ata kanë pasur shumë mundësi. They have had many opportunities. Ata kanë pasur shumë mundësi. And as always, a paragraph that has the verb in all three different tenses at the same time. Dje pata shumë punë dhe nuk pata kohë të pushoja. Yesterday I had a lot of work and didn't have time to rest. Kur punoja në atë kompani, kisha gjithmonë shumë detyra dhe shpesh kisha pak kohë të lirë. When I worked at that company, I always had a lot of tasks and often had very little free time. Gjatë viteve të fundit, kam pasur shumë përgjegjësi, por kam mësuar edhe shumë gjëra të reja. Over the last few years, I have had a lot of responsibilities, but I have also learned many new things. Now, listen again only in Albanian. Dje pata shumë punë dhe nuk pata kohë të pushoja. Kur punoja në atë kompani, kisha gjithmonë shumë detyra dhe shpesh kisha pak kohë të lirë. Gjatë viteve të fundit, kam pasur shumë përgjegjësi, por kam mësuar edhe shumë gjëra të reja. Well done, now you know how to use the verb come in the simple past, the imperfect tense, and the present perfect tense. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you still haven't. Don't forget that we have free flashcard decks on Shqipify.com. The link is below in the pinned comment and also in the description. Make sure to practice your Albanian vocabulary day by day. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions or anything, you can contact me at shqipify@gmail.com, and I will see you all in our next video.